Okay guys, we're back on our channel again, and the last video we took, we opened up the first box of 2020 Panini XR football, and today we're going to go ahead and open up the second. So if you saw the last video, there are some two RPs that were pulled in a mem card, and hopefully we can get similar results here in this box as well. Very nice product. Go ahead and show that off there. Cards are really nice. I really like the first box and how that looked like. Again, there are two packs per box. Put that on the side, and again, last time made a mistake on opening it. Open up on the top. Let's get the first pack ripped. See what happens. Yeah. Got confused there for a second. We're just going to start off today with Rob Gronkowski in the Bucs uniform. It's nice. Sony Michel. The cards are really nice. AJ Spencer out of 199. Then we have a Joss. I'm not gonna pronounce this guy's last name correctly. Joss Uchi, Patriot. 75. Our first hit is a Chase Claypool, Anthony McFarland Jr. Team materials. 8 out of 10.
Oh, nice.
That's a good card, and it's a nice looking card. You know, I'm a Ravens fan, so I'm not sure how I have kind of mixed feelings about this card. It's a Steeler card, but it's really nice. So regardless, the card's really nice. These players are playing good. What a nice card, 8 out of 10. Then we have our first auto out of 49. Jason Huntley, the Lions. And a Cam Akers card. So pretty good hit on the team materials so far, 8 out of 10. That's the second pack. I think we should get another auto here. Might be the RPA. Let's take a look. T.Y. Hilton. DK Metcalf. This guy's playing really well, and that just a phenomenal player. We have a numbered Jeff Bladney out of 249. DJ Moore out of 199. We have an exponential potential Gardner Minshew II. And our hit, Lynn Bowden Jr. of the Raiders, and that's going to be an RPA. Very nice. Out of 99. And our last card is a Donovan Peoples-Jones. So overall in this box, very nice hits. We have the Lynn Bowden Jr. RPA. Oh, the 8 out of 10, this is a really good card. 8 out of 10 Steeler team materials. And our autograph was of Jason Huntley. Hope you enjoyed this break of this box. And we look forward to seeing you again on our channel. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you again next time. And keep ripping those packs open and enjoying ourselves during this hard times.